Amanelo Igwe. Agiri kale kiro do nejo do nelio zunu. Agwe balenjam ne Ghana. Ghana. Ah. Giri kale kiro do nejo do nelio zunu. You will have to go.
What's going on? No breakfast?
I forgot to tell you. There is no bread in the house.
Oh, come on. You should have told me this earlier. I was looking forward to having breakfast this morning. I'll be having a very long day at work today. We're supposed to have a seminar that will last till 5 p.m, so I need to eat something before I leave.
You can just step out and buy bread.
Not right now. I'm running late when I get back.
Babe! What are you trying to do? You want me to starve to death?
I never said that. Your sister is in the house. She can go get you bread.
How? Baby, you know the bread I like eating, Stalin bread. She don't know where they sell that bread. Just buy me bread, then you go.
There are shops all around here. Your sister can go out, get bread from any of the shops. When I'm coming back, I'll get you the kind of bread you want. End of story.
Saying I should hold on till when you return. Like you said, 5 p.m. before I can eat.
Sweetheart, don't start now. Come on.
No, it's fine. It's obvious you've already made up your mind to starve me to death today. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Come on.
I said it's fine. It's fine. I'm okay.
Relax. I can always get you bread. It's not a problem.
Please answer your call.
It's not important.
You won't eat. It's past breakfast.
I'm waiting for my bread.
Sister, I thought I heard him say he'll be having a busy day at the office.
I don't care. Whether he'll be having a busy day, whether he's having a busy day, it's none of my business. He will find a way to send my bread to me, that's all.
Sister, you too dey stress that man.
Okay. Is he your husband? Huh? Please, wait until you marry yours. You can do with him however you want. But you see, it's my own living for me, okay?
Now, wow. Anyway, sister, come and test my indomie now. It's nice.
Not testing. I'm waiting for my bread.
Okay.
Enjoy.
But I made it special.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoyment minister.
Of course now. I have to eat my sister and her husband's money. Who else?
Waiting for my bread though. What is wrong with this waste management? Huh? Aquara! You all need to come and let me what's going on? Aquara! Aquara!
Hello, ma'am.
Mr. Adams.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
Fine, thank you. This one you're carrying bag. Are you traveling?
Yeah, I'm embarking on a very short trip, yeah.
Okay.
See, Madam, would you please, you help me receive a package from the delivery man. I'm supposed to receive it, but I'm running late for my flight. Okay. So I had to put your address.
No, it's
Just
fine.
help me secure it, okay?
No, it's fine.
Thank you so much.
Please, catch your flight already.
I will.
Buy me goodies, so.
Oh, no problem. I will. I will. Thank you.
Alright, safe trip, sir.
All right.
Safe trip.
All right.
Aquara, where is this useless girl? Nkem? Nkem, come and get the door. Nkem? Do you know you are wicked? Eric, do you know you are heartless? I asked you to buy me bread, ordinary loaf of bread for me to have my breakfast since morning. You deliberately chose to starve me to death throughout today. And you think coming back home looking funny will make me clap for you, laugh, and forget how wicked and callous that you are? Give me. Very wicked soul. What is he even wearing? Who gave him the hair? Goodness, because this is not my hair. What kind of human being is this?
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roar. My spirit is hunting, I roll from the shadow. I'm coming for you. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Sister, you're really enjoying yourself.
Yes, I was so hungry. Meanwhile, where have you been? I was calling you when my husband returned to go get the dog, but you were nowhere to be found.
Sister was asleep after eating the evening. But wait though, sister, did you just say your husband?
Where else do you think I got this bread from?
Huh, how about that? Sister, you still stressed that man back to this house to get this bread for you. Even after I told you, let me go and get it myself. You refused. This is unfair.
What is unfair? Is it your husband or your bread? Which one is your problem?
Sister, have some compassion now. This is a good man. I've never seen such a kind and tolerating man like him ever in my life. And you are stressing him like this. I'm sure he must have rushed back to the office after delivering this bread to you.
Which office? He's upstairs. That reminds me. Please, I need to check up on him. We should come out. Take care of my bread. I don't need to go.
I don't know why I see you as you.
Can't find it again. But why is it not opening?
It's not so good. It's an old video. That's why.
Ah, okay.
Hey. Are you okay? What happened in the office today? And then what's this you're putting on? Pull it off already. You're looking weird. Just pull it off.
What is it? What happened?
Okay. Ogam. Wow.
I don't know. Eric.
Madam, what kind of dressing was that? Where Oga dress like this they go? Any disco party? Abi, don't join this people.
Who asked you? Did anybody call you in this conversation? You don't mind your business. You don't shut up and go back to the gates.
What kind of... Didn't you see the hair? Join river? I don't understand though. Oga? I don't go. Maybe I open door for me. No, sorry.
Are you sure he's not angry about what you did this morning?
But this is not the first time. This is not the first time he's going out of his way, leaving the office to get something for me. Why is he behaving weird?
Sister, maybe he has had it enough with you. Like, I told you to go easy on your husband.
Please,
every time.
Please. What have I done wrong? Huh? I have not done anything out of the ordinary. I don't know why he's overreacting. I don't know what is wrong with him.
Sister, my major concern is the wig on his hair. What is he doing with it? Bone straight. How do you even know that it's even a bone straight step? Eh? Are you using your own?
How is it my own? Eh? I don't even know what is wrong with him. Like, I'll keep calling him. He will have to answer and explain to me.
Is he answering?
He's not answering.
Ha.
Look at Eric. Does it mean he did not see me? Is he wearing wig? Eric!
Sister, you're not sleeping. It's past 11.
My husband is not yet back.
Sister, hey, he will come around now. Maybe he's somewhere at the bar wasting away.
Okay, my husband doesn't drink. He can be any other thing, but not keeping late nights, not drinking. You should know him by now.
Sister, you are right. But you know men, eh? They are erratic like weather, always changing without notice. Sister, he will come around now.
Should I report to the place?
Eh? So are you not seeing the time? It's late. Sister, are you not feeling sleepy? I want to go and sleep. Please go to bed.
You can go and sleep. I will join you later. Let me just wait for him.
Okay, sister, good night. I have to go to bed though. Good night. Stop thinking. Sister, why is there plenty bread?
I don't understand. I just got up. Hold on.
Sister, are these That's no more than 10.
20 loaves of bread.
20! Jesus.
What for?
What are we celebrating?
Where's my husband? Excuse me.
What are we celebrating? What happened?
Baby. 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 What is the meaning of what you did last night? You kept me awake for all through the night. Only for you to return and came up here. Who does that to his wife?
You were asleep.
And so? You know you are the reason I slept on that couch. You're supposed to just get back, wake me up. That's what you're supposed to do. Not to leave me down, then come up. Meanwhile, what's with all that loaves of bread? Who owns them?
You.
What are you saying? Me? How? What am I supposed to do with all that loaves of bread?
So you never disturb me for bread again.
What is wrong with you, Eric? Who buys 20 loaves of bread for his wife? What for? How could you even do that? And where are you going to? Eric! Eric, come back here and explain to me what I'm asking you! Come back and explain why you did what you did! Come back, Eric! Come back! Can you imagine? Can you imagine Eric telling me that he bought those loaves of bread so that I will stop disturbing him for bread in this house? Who does that?
He said that.
He said that!
Sis, I told you that this man is angry. You have pushed him to the wall, and this is him revolting.
What did I do wrong to him? No, what did I do wrong? Requesting for bread for my breakfast? He better come and return all those breads to the owner. What nonsense!
Sister, calm down. Calm down and talk to him. Calm down and ask him his reasons for doing so. You just have to calm down. It's not this way.
You better go to the dining and eat all those loaves of bread you bought there, or return them to the owner.
They're all yours.
What do you mean by that?
I'll see you when I return.
And where are you going?
Sister, calm down, please. Calm down and talk to him.
What kind of madness is this?
Sister, I know. Just calm down. He will listen to you when he comes back. Please. It's not this way that we will go about it. Please.
Can you see that? 20 loaves of bread!
Sister, yes. You just calm down. Eh? It's not this way. Please.
No. Look at. Who does that? I was going to call you before you showed up. Please. What is wrong with your friend, my husband? He has been behaving strange.
That is the reason I'm here. I was about asking you the same question.
Oh my God. You mean you don't know? I thought you knew why he's been behaving that way.
I met him on the road the other day. I greeted him. He ignored me. And I saw him carrying a lot of breads in his hand.
Your friend bought me 20 loaves of bread for breakfast.
What?
Just because I requested for a loaf of bread. 20 loaves.
Is he alright?
I don't know. Something is wrong with my husband. I need to find out.
This is serious.
Oh, goodness. I thought you were well. What is wrong with my husband?
I know say something don't happen. Yes. Something una don't finish my yoga. All of una wey dey this house, una don't finish am. Both of you, una don't do am. See my yoga, we know the vex. So we know the vex. It's just the vex. Now they talk to you. Hey, look at you. Come here. You people are wicked. You are evil. Yes, you and your sister.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. What have you done to my yoga?
Aquara, I can see you are tired of this job. I can see you are tired. You see this is your job, you will lose it.
How I want to take loser? Now you won't make me loser. You cannot do that. Even your sister cannot sack me here. Nobody will employ me. So don't even go there.
My sister cannot sack you. You see, I don't even know why my brother-in-law employed you in the first place. With this your big mouth, you will leave this house. You are Aquara. You will leave this.
Listen, you are bad. Your sister is bad. Who is advising who? In which sense? Do you know she's married? Now she get a stand. You don't even have stand. For you to be here, you are a useless person. Though.
Aquara, you are a madman. And you know that.
I wish you the same. God, you people are wicked. They talk who go some person. Now them employ me. Now you employed me. Why you go once? Not only my Oga fit decide. And I not say that one. You know go fit try am. When I know say one day this kind of thing will happen. This man will begin behave somehow because when I don't show I'm shaggy. Who know what thing they happen inside? I shame on you people. Mugu. Let's see what thing I do to my Oga. I don't even know whether I still get sense. Come where we get the waka. Who know whether you wear panty mwai? Something must be wrong with Anana Kasa. Don't worry, God will expose all of you now. This man who I love too much, see as they behave now. Like normal, abnormal human being. God forbid.
Where do you think you are going? What is wrong with you? Eric! Just because I asked you to lock the door, that is why you came here? Eric, what is wrong with you? Are you not the one I'm talking to? Okay. Do you have any problem in the office? Is it because I asked you to buy me bread? Why are you behaving this way towards me? What is wrong with you?
I want to sleep.
Can you hear yourself? You want to sleep. And you came down to the sitting room? Eric, what is wrong with you? Why are you behaving weird? Okay, why don't you just go up, freshen up, have a change of clothes? And then, what is this? Eric! Eric, you're hurting me! Eric! Eric, stop! Eric, you didn't eat your food last night and the other night. What is going on? Eric, I'm asking you.
I am not hungry.
You are not hungry. What is going on, Eric? You have never failed to eat your food in this, especially dinner. Can you tell me what is going on?
I need to go out.
Huh? You need to go where? Eric, you are not going anywhere until you answer my question. You are not leaving this house. So. What is wrong with you? What is going on with you? Why are you behaving weird? You are not going anywhere.
Leave the way.
You are not going anywhere.
I saw your husband driving out. I greeted him and he did not respond. What is wrong?
He's obviously seeing someone else.
Someone else, like a side chick?
Yes, of course.
Ha, sister, don't think in that direction now.
Why not? Have you not been seeing his strange behaviors? It's a huge sign that he's seeing someone else.
Sister, even if he's seeing someone else like you said, I don't blame him. If it's a side chick that you want, you should have it. You have tried. Yes.
You don't blame him?
Yeah.
Indirectly saying that you are in support of that.
Sister, I'm in support of it. If it's side chick that he wants, you should have it. Full support. Yes, you have tried. That man have been suffering in your hands.
You have tried?
Yes.
And you were in this house with me as who?
You pushed him and now...
And you stand before me to tell me that you support me having a side chick. Idiot.
Sister, he has tried. Bro.
Come and talk to me here now. You're supporting another person than your sister.
You caused this.
I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry for everything. I know I've said and done so many hurtful things to you. Please. Can you stop being weird already? You're scaring me with this behavior of yours, please. Babe.
Yes.
I said I'm sorry.
It's too late.
Is she prettier than me? She's sexier than me. Is she a better cook? Talk to me, please.
There is nothing to tell.
Please, please stop doing this to me. Please, I beg you. You know it's very wrong for you to cheat on me. Okay. I'm sorry if I pushed you. Please. Can we just talk it over. Please, I beg you.
I need to go out.
Go where? You are not going anywhere until you tell me what I need to know. Why are you doing this to me? Please. Why are you choosing to cheat on me? Okay. If I push you, I'm sorry. Please, my love, please. Can we please talk this over? I beg you. Stop doing all this for me. You're killing me. Please, can we just talk it over, please? You better come back here and sit down. Let us talk. Please. Please, let's just talk it over. I'm sorry. Please, my love. I beg you. It's locked. Eric!
Uju, listen to me. I have known Eric for many years. I can tell you of a fact that Eric is not a womanizer. Eric is not cheating on you.
Sam, that is not why I call you. I called you because something is wrong with my husband, your friend.
And what could that be?
I can't place my hand on what is wrong with him. But whatever it is, it's got to do with his mental.
Ha, sister. Are you saying he's gone mad?
Okay, isn't it obvious that something is wrong with my husband? He has been behaving strange. Okay, I went to my husband to apologize so that he can wave away whatever I have done wrong to him so we can come back again as one family. He walked out on me. I blocked him. I said, you're not going anywhere until you answer me. I locked our room door. I had the key in my hand. No, I threw the key here. I said, you can't go anywhere. Sam, to my greatest surprise, my husband opened the door and left without the key. You don't understand. Eric now behaves like a mysterious man.
Please, you have to calm down. Yes, I understand that his attitude lately might be troubling. But Eric is not mad.
Sam, you've not seen my husband lately. Eric no longer eats in this house. He barely sleeps at night.
Wait, you might be right. Maybe Eric is cheating on... No, wait. Eric cannot cheat on you. Eric is not a womanizer. You see what will happen. Just put yourself together. I will talk to Eric. I will talk to him, okay? So just calm down. See, let me tell you. Eric is not just a business partner. He's like a brother to me. Eric confides in me. If Eric is cheating on you, I will know. You have to calm down. Let me talk to him.
Okay.
Please.
God should please Please, whatever it is that is wrong with my husband, God should please heal him. I'm tired. I need my husband back.
Let me believe that by the time you speak with him, that might change his mind. Something's wrong, sir.
You have to be calm.
I had a nightmare. Okay, when did you return? Why are you staring at me like that? You are not talking to me.
You screamed.
Oh, I did? God, I didn't know it was loud. Was it too loud? It was a nightmare. Oh, goodness. Was I that loud?
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roar. My spirit is hunting, I roar from the shadow. I'm coming for you. Can you see me?
Brother, good morning. I came to ask you what you will be having for breakfast. I know my sister have been hard on you, but please loosen up a bit. Is it yam and egg sauce, rice, anyone? This is me. Brother.
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your
Sister, you are right. Something is wrong with him.
With who?
Your husband is acting weird.
You're right. What happened?
I witnessed it myself today. He's acting weird. We need to do something about it.
Okay, now you can believe me. I told you my husband has not been acting well. I wish there is anyone I can talk to for help. It's getting out of hand.
Sister, you know very well that you are the cause of this. You were unfair to that man. You treated him badly.
Babe. Babe. Babe, what's this?
What did you say there?
Cucumber.
Yes, that is what it is. I forgot to tell you that I was very busy today, so I couldn't make anything for you to eat.
Are you talking about? You're very busy. Last time I checked, you don't work.
Oh, so because I don't work, I don't have any other thing to do? Please don't get me angry.
I shouldn't get you angry. Are you drunk? I had a very busy day at work. I come back home and you give me cucumber to eat. What is wrong with you?
Honey, if that cucumber is not okay for you, please, you can as well step out. Get something for yourself to eat. After all, cucumber is a very nice food. It's good for the body.
I should go get myself food to eat.
Yes.
Fine.
You don't like cucumber?
Sister, what's the meaning of what you just did now? Sister, I asked you, what am I going to prepare for tonight? You refused, only for you to serve cucumber to your husband. Sister, cucumber.
Yes, cucumber. Is cucumber not good for the body?
Hey, sister, that's unfair. That's unfair.
Hey, you just reminded me of something. Hold on. Let me call him to get us a take home for tonight.
Sister, you're calling him for a take home.
Yes, I'm calling him for a take home.
So this is unfair. This is no good.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? You took 300k from my account.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
What do you mean you don't understand? Before I left, you said you needed some money, little money. I should give you money. I gave you my ATM card. You took 300k from my account. Why?
So because you gave me your useless ATM card, I should not have peace in my house again?
What's going on? I want to know why you made such a heavy withdrawal from my account. 300k.
Heavy?
Yes.
300k heavy?
Is this small?
And what's going on? Is this being stingy or trying to mock me as usual because I'm your dependent?
I'm not mocking you. Right, I'm not mocking you.
But that is what you just did.
I'm not mocking you. I'm just saying, why would you think... Okay, see, I'm sorry.
No,
I'm sorry.
it's okay. It's okay, you have sustained in my day. It's okay, just enjoy it.
Come on now, man.
Every time you do this.
Wait, you know I love you. I just... Oh, okay, see, come on. Please now, come to bed. Come to bed. Is it when I die that you will give me this thing? Come now. Let's not start dragging this. Come to bed.
So, you think after insulting me because of chicken change, you will still have access to this body? You lie. In fact, you are joking.
Come on now. Come on. It's me, oh. Yeah? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Whatever I did to you, I'm sorry. I take the blame. I don't even know what I did, but I'm sorry. Stop treating me this way. It's unfair.
You know what is unfair? What is unfair here is you coming into my life, turning me into a housewife that you cannot provide for. That is what is unfair.
Okay, fine. If you want to start working, it's okay. You can start tomorrow. Just come to bed first.
You see it? Always looking for a way to dodge your responsibilities. So now you want me to work? You want me to work so that you stop giving me money, eh? It is very obvious you have another woman you want to be giving the money to.
Stop.
But no problem.
Stop this now. Stop saying this. I don't have any other woman. Let's not go there.
Pretender. You don't have any other woman. And you feel I will believe you. See, I know you more than you know yourself. And I know you cannot lie to yourself. Eric, you want to cheat on me. Eric, you deliberately want to cheat on me. In fact, you are cheating on me.
Can you just stop this? Stop it. Enough.
Oh, you now raise your voice at me, right?
What?
Really?
Okay, I'm not raising my voice. You want to hold this one now and say you won't give me again. I'm not raising my voice. Sorry. It's just that accusing me of something I didn't do is unfair.
It's unfair. Something you didn't do. Anyway, it's none of my business. It's your life. You can do whatever you want to do with your life. But if see this my body. Let me even show you. See. Are you seeing it? I wear this one inside. In fact, I wear pants. Wear this one. And then wear this one on top. In case. You cannot have access to this body until I see seriousness and commitment towards me.
Okay, fine. I'm ready to commit 200,000 now. I'll do the transfer. Look at me. My body is no longer my body. Please.
Okay. My body is my pride. You cannot have it.
See, my body is also my pride, but I'm willing to give it to you. You don't have to force your 250. Please. 250k. 350. 450. 600. Please now. Why are you treating me this way? See, just look at me. I don't even understand what I'm doing again. 1 million. Okay, see. 1.5 million. I'll do the transfer immediately. Let the head just touch. I'll just rub it and go. Kim, I need you to help me talk to your sister. I don't even know what I did wrong to her. I can't say. She's been acting strange. I don't know, she's just been so difficult. I keep trying to talk to her, but she wouldn't listen. And it's been on for a while now.
Okay, I will, brother. I will talk to her. But you know, my sister can be very stubborn and unreasonable. If I will even talk to her, she won't even listen to me. I will try my best. I will try.
I don't even know what else to do. I've pleaded, I've shouted, I've begged. Nothing is working. I don't know what to do.
Brother, you are stressing a lot. And you need to stop. You stress all day at your workplace. You come back to this house and my sister will continue to make you go through hell. I don't support her in any of this. So my hands are not in it. That's unfair. I don't support my sister at all.
It's alright. Just don't blame her, okay? I'll take the blame. I'll take the blame for everything. If you talk to her, just let her know I'm sorry. Alright? I'm ready to put everything behind us and let's start afresh. Tell her I'm wrong. She's not wrong. I take the blame. It's all my fault. Let her know I'm sorry. Okay?
Brother, I will talk to her. That's if she listens to me. I will. I will try my best though. I will try.
Thank you.
But brother, you have not eaten anything. Let me get your food.
Food can wait. Not now. Look at me, I'm not happy. I don't have peace in my heart. And the only person that gives me peace is my wife. Help me speak to her, please.
I will talk to her. Sister, as far as I'm concerned, you didn't treat him well.
Ken, he's overdoing it. Eh? I've said I'm sorry. I've tried to apologize to him. How else do you want me to do it? Why is he behaving weird for just a little thing?
Sister, calm down. Calm down and think. You treated that man very unfair. You didn't do him well. Think about it.
Okay, how do I explain it to you that you can understand? I have realized my mistakes. And I've tried as much as I can to apologize to him, but he's not giving me the audience.
Sister, you just have to be patient with him. Because you are the cause of all these things from the start. You just have to be patient. Give him time. You know you were the cause of all this from the start. The reason why he's acting weird and all. Probably I'll talk to him if he will listen. Please.
Hello. Yes. Yes, I'm his wife. What? Sorry, sir. Sir, please, there should be a mix-up somewhere. No, because my husband I know has been going to work and he left for work this morning. Hello? Hello?
Sister, I don't know what I'll do for dinner. Should I do some plantain? Sister, what is it? What happened? Sister, talk now. What happened?
I just got a call from Eric's office. Saying that he hasn't been coming to work for weeks now.
What? How?
I don't understand what they're saying. Like, they've not seen Eric for weeks. How is it possible?
Sister, that is impossible now. He has been leaving this house to his office. So what's going on? Sister, now, are you sure you're not going to call them back or something? Because somehow.
Mr. Adams! When did you return? Welcome, please come and sit down, I hope you got my goodies. Because I can't see you with any, so where are all the things I asked you to buy for me? Meanwhile, when did you return?
Uju, I am sorry. I am sorry for what happened. Believe me, if not that I was running late already for my flight, I would have come by myself to deliver the sad news. Oh.
Mr. Adams, sad news? I don't understand what you're saying.
See, I made sure the body was deposited in the mortuary before leaving for the airport. I made sure of that myself.
Mr. Adams, what is going on? You're still not making any sense to me. Why are you talking about my husband in that angle?
Okay. Uju, I understand you might be angry with me. You know, when I left the house the other day, I told you I was heading to the airport to board my flight to Dubai, right? Okay, on my way to the airport, I saw a car that looks exactly like your husband's car, with a lot of people gathered at the scene. I had to alight to see what was going on.
You guys should put this house somebody says.
Let us take this man to hospital before his blood will be on our head.
I made sure that the ambulance was on its way to the accident scene before leaving for the airport.
Mr. Adams, I don't know what is wrong with you. I don't know if you are high, if you are okay, if you are sick, but I can freely tell you that you don't know what you're talking about.
Uju, I can't possibly be joking with such a thing. Believe me, I know what I am saying. I know what I'm talking about.
Stop it! Stop it already! My husband is much alive and he's in this house. He is in his bedroom. What are you saying?
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roam. My spirit is hunting a roam from the shadow. I'm coming for you. Can you see me? Can you see me? My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roam. My spirit is hunting a roam.
See?
What has come over you? How can you be wishing your fellow man dead? Are you that wicked?
Really? Believe me, Uju, I am not insane. I know what I am talking about.
I'm stepping into my husband's room to tell him exactly everything I've said about him right now. Excuse me.
Hey, I'm sick.
What is it? Who? What happened? Hey, what's the problem? Eric was here. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Okay. We have to leave this room. We just have to leave the room, please.
I know it's too late. I know I can't change it.
Sister,
But things like
so why are you on the floor? What happened?
We have been living with a ghost in this house.
Ghost? Who? Sister, talk now. What
My
happened?
husband died a few days ago.
Jesus!
I came back here. The person we have been seeing is his ghost.
You have to calm down.
I was saying that my husband had been behaving
Sister,
strangely.
please.
I didn't know it
How
was
do you know,
his ghost.
Nkem, see what happened. I witnessed the accident that caused his death. It was actually a trailer. He was trying to cross the road to where he parked his car across. So the trailer hit him and he died at the spot. I witnessed it. I'm surprised this news hasn't gotten to this place till now. Okay?
Please, no, don't.
Just
please.
the best you can do for yourself now is to put yourself together and forge ahead. It has happened.
I'm putting myself together. I'm putting myself together. I'm putting myself together. I lost my husband because of bread. I lost my husband because of bread.
Stop crying now.
Village people used to be.
Man, this woman just got sleep.
It's okay, so see.
He had his breakfast this morning.
Uju, you have to put yourself together, please. Put yourself together. That's all you can do for yourself. What else can I do? Okay. Get a phone. Call your siblings, maybe your parents, your siblings. Call somebody to just come around. This is too much for you to handle. She's in a very bad mood. So that someone can come around. Uju, you have... Calm down. Okay? Calm down, okay? Just put yourself together. You'll be fine. Okay? Yes. Get the phone. Call somebody. Just call your people, okay? Call them. Uju, calm down. Easy, okay? Calm down. Okay. Uju. This is something you're not aware of. Do not blame yourself so much about it. It still surprises me how nobody has reached out to you with the news of his death till now. But I can remember I made sure I gave a certain young boy money and address to locate you. Oh.
What do we do now?
We have to find his corpse. Maybe his particulars weren't with him as at the time of the accident. Else the police must have found their way here. I'm sorry.
Where exactly do we go in search of his body now?
Okay, I think we should go to the site of the accident. Maybe ask around. We might be lucky we'll meet an eyewitness and gather some information. But you have to be strong. Everybody knows that Eric was a good man. It's a pity he died the way he did. But what can we do?
God damn. I killed him.
Uju, you did not kill your husband. He died in an accident.
Adams, you won't understand. I killed my husband. I requested for bread that morning.
Oh. Yes, I remember. I saw 2 loaves of bread in his hand. Right? Yeah, something like that, yes. Really?
Eric begged me. He begged me to go get me the bread at his own free time. But I refused. I pressurized him. I made him
leave the office or however, wherever to make sure he pleased me. No. Uju, even at that.
I my husband to death.
No, you didn't.
I left my husband.
Even at that, you didn't kill him. It was still an accident. You have to be strong for yourself now. Okay? You didn't lead the trailer that jammed him. Okay? It was just an accident.
I witnessed what happened on that fateful day. The incident happened over there. He crossed the road to buy bread, and just as he was about crossing the road, the incident happened.
Okay, you remember me, right?
I also recall you. I saw you on that day, and you gave a certain man money, Ndoka.
Oh, his name is Ndoka.
Yeah.
I gave him money to reach out to the man's wife, and this is the man's wife. But
his wife.
Ndoka never did.
Huh?
He never did.
Nobody came to me. Nobody gave me any information. Nobody told me about it.
He squandered the money that you gave to him. Oh. He came here to buy cigarettes and drinks, and I refused to sell to him, and he moved to my neighbor's shop and squandered it all there. Yeah? Ndoka, are you trying to use the money that was given to you at the accident scene to buy cigarettes and drinks?
Oh, well, good. Is it your money? Are you the one you gave the money to? What I choose to do with the money, is it your business?
I remember that man vividly telling you to use that money to locate that dead man's wife.
Yeah, are you selling the start and cigarette for me or not?
I am not selling, Ndoka. I am not.
I don't blame you. Thank God, not only you they sell beer. If I move up there, I will get
go and buy it there.
Beer to drink.
Go and buy it there.
Now thunder will fire you.
It will fire you first.
Thunder will go fire you for me.
Have it at the back of your mind that man's death is upon your head.
Thunder will fire you.
Use that money and go and locate his wife. Ndoka, use that money and go locate his wife. You better go and deliver that message to the wife. Else. What? Hey. So that was how the incident happened. He left my shop and headed to my neighbor's shop and squandered the money on cigarettes and drinks.
People can be ridiculous. And that's by the way. Please, do you know the whereabouts of the cops? Like, where did they take the cops to after then?
On that fateful day, I recall my neighbor went to the mortuary with them. Yeah.
Oh, thank God. Please, how can we see the neighbor you're talking about?
Please, just help us. Help me locate my husband's corpse.
I don't think he's around at the moment.
What about his house? Maybe his wife, his
phone number, anything
exactly.
that we can.
I don't know. I am new to this place. I don't know.
Killed me.
Sister, there is no ghost now. There's no ghost.
I saw my husband here. He was lying down right here beside me. He was talking to me. I saw him.
Somebody is here.
I saw him.
I'm not seeing anybody here.
Because I know what I saw.
I'm going to sleep with you this night. I won't go back to my room. Nobody is here.
God bless you. That's exactly what I want. Spend the night with me, please. Okay?
You scared me, but nobody is here. Now let's go back to bed.
That's why I was drinking. I know what I saw.
It's just a nightmare.
I know what I saw. I saw Eric.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's not fine.
Let's go back to sleep. Nobody is here.
Just go to bed.
Let's go to this bed. You cannot stay on this bed. Nobody is here.
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't lie there, leave no stay. In the shadow you hear my voice.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what happened, my love. I'm sorry you met your untimely death. Wow! How could you allow this to happen to you? How? Now you are gone! Gone and never to come back to me again! This is so unfair. This is so unfair. How am I going to survive this? How am I going to survive here all alone? How? It's so unfair! This is so unfair thing you have done to me! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Tell me. I can't find you. I don't know where you are. Where exactly are you, my love? Where exactly are you? Please help me. Help me to find you. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't do this all alone. I can't do this all alone. Please.
You killed me. You shall suffer.
Please.
Find me. Find me. Find me. Find me.
Wait. You mean our Eric is dead?
Eric died a few days back.
Hey, Eric. Wait, you said few days back? That means the Eric we have been seeing is a ghost.
The Eric you have been seeing is already dead.
Hey, Eric, oh my God. Why?
Listen, son. This is not the right time for this. As I'm talking to you right now, I don't know where his corpse is. Adams and the other neighbors who witnessed his death, the accident, gave me information on where to locate him, so that's what I'm trying to do right now.
Okay. In that case, let us go immediately. Hi.
Which kind of nonsense be this one? Why not go to disturb person for this area like this? I don't tell myself I don't make noise for here, but still, not still they make noise. One, I go call chief. Now because they say you the chief, now make me respect you normally. If not, if I don't salute you, if I don't give you to now, which kind of nonsense be this one? The other one that's he come out, I can't come back, still come out again. Which kind of nonsense be this? Eh? Make a drop water keep up, now no go gree me. Mokuna dey careful oh.
Madam, Oga, you get one young man wey dey carry come like that. Fair, tall, get body. They say na to crush am.
Na him. That's him.
Okay. Because since them bring am, we try find out who he be. But based on as he be, we no fit know. And we don't wait how to get to his people to tell them say, okay, so this is a person there our mortuary, but to no avail.
Okay, we're here now.
Yes, this is his wife. Yes.
Yes.
But then thank God say you come. I think you understand because what they do for this place normally. See if you don't date, nobody come for him. Now burning street oh. But thank God you are here.
Can we see him so that we can be sure?
That will not be problem now. Since now your husband abi?
Yes.
Moku go now your husband.
Is it inside him?
Madam, you don't need fear. You don't need fear. These people are just normal human beings like us. There's no much difference between the dead and the living. You understand? All of us, we are same. It's just that their own breath no day again. You understand? So they no be me day here. I no die now. You understand? I mean they bath them, I mean they clothe them, I mean they dress them normally, and nothing happen. You understand? No go see man. That one no be issue.
I'll fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay in the shadow.
Sister, thank God you were finally able to locate his corpse. At least you'll be laid to rest. Sister, what's the plan?
You mean based on his burial?
Yes.
I will be going to the village this weekend to formally inform his people.
Sister, Brother Eric's mother is going to be so heartbroken when she hears this news.
I don't even know how to break the news for her.
Sister, I'll go with you. I'll go with you. Thank you. Everything will be fine.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We will make every other arrangement when we get to the village.
Sister, I know how you feel. Oh, please, stop crying.
I lost my Eric. I will not see my Eric again.
Everything will be fine. Please, stop crying.
I will look at my face. I will want to provide everything I need.
Stop crying, please. Everything will be fine.
Eric, I'm sorry. Eric, I'm sorry. I regret everything.
It's okay. Stop blaming yourself. Everything will be fine. Please.
Amarandu, your food is there. Agbara!
Akwara, why are you crying? This is your food.
I'm not eating. I don't want to eat. My Oga is dead. Very good one! Lion. Good blooded. Bushwari. And you want me to eat? No! I cannot eat.
Akwara, I'm still shocked the same way you are. But you have to eat. We have to move on. So eat your food and move on. Please.
I'm not eating. It's not as if I'm rejecting your food, oh. Sorry. But I cannot eat. No man should eat when he's feeling sorrow, when he's feeling bad. I should eat when I'm happy and my mind is at peace. Open now, wow. I don't want me to eat. I cannot do that.
Akwara, this is your food. When you are done, eat.
Your net is causing me a problem everywhere. Come on, Emerota. Come on.
I just got back from the village. And I concluded with his people that he will be buried on the 18th of next month.
Isn't that far?
I don't think so. I think he's fine.
Left for me, for someone that died tragically like that, he should be buried earlier.
I had a meeting with his people, and they all agreed that he should be buried on the 18th of next month, so I feel it's okay.
Does that mean his body will remain at the mortuary then?
Yes.
Take me home.
Would you?
I know it's too late. I know I can't change it. The things I did. I know I broke your heart. I know I pouring out my heart. I'm down on my knees with a cry of my heart, begging you please grant me this wish. Oh, please forgive me, Waro. I am lost without you. Hear the cry of a broken heart. Biko Waro. I am so sorry. Sorry. Please forgive me, Waro. I am lost without you. My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I keep your heart on the way. I won't lie there, leave no stay. In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roar. My spirit is haunted.
Adams. My husband is disturbing me everywhere. My sleep, betting room, sitting room, anywhere I go. Asking me to take him home.
Then take him home. Take this young man home so that he can rest.
I already have an arrangement with his people that he'll be buried next month.
Yeah, I understand. But from the look of things, that's not what he wants. Yeah.
What do I do? What do I do?
Okay.
He's driving me insane.
It's alright, Ujunwa. This is go back to his people. Go back to his people. Tell them the latest development. Tell them explain to them what you've been going through. Explain to them what you've been going through. Let them bring forward the date for his burial. Let them bring forward the date for his burial. Let this young man go and rest. Let so you have your peace. Go and rest. So you have your peace.
Going crazy.
Put yourself together, Uju. Put yourself together, Uju. This is
Eric is driving me crazy. Eric is driving me crazy. Eric is driving me crazy.
Put yourself together. Be strong. Put yourself together. Be strong. It's almost done, and you will have your peace. It's almost done, and you will have your peace.
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain.
Why are you worrying? Overthinking yourself? You have BPO.
What if his people refuse to fast forward the date of his burial?
Then you move his corpse to the village and leave it there.
Well, he said I should take him home.
This is exactly what I'm saying, sister. You move his corpse to the village, find a mortuary there and leave it there. Once his people are ready, he will be buried. Except they refuse bringing his burial date forward.
What's wrong with you? What's the meaning of this? Jesus! Sister! Sister!
I'm sorry, I don't know.
What do you mean you're sorry?
Sister, I don't know what came over me. Sister, I'm sorry. Sister.
Eric.
Eh? How? Where?
Eric is here.
Sister, you're scaring me. Where? I'm not seeing anybody.
Eric is here.
Eh?
Eric is here.
Where?
Eric.
Take me home. Take me home.
Why did this to me? Why? I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How long do you want me to say it? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Stop tormenting me, please.
Next time that you won't go.
I don't have time now.
Please, ma, please, don't vex. I want to ask you some questions. Don't be in a hurry. Give me a little time.
Okay, what is it?
Thank you. Madam, I don't reason this thing. I don't think I say, ma, I ask you. Were you the one that killed my Oga?
What?
You heard me.
No, what did you just ask me?
Now, because I don't understand.
Akora,
Ma?
are you drunk? Are you okay? Did you just ask me that question?
Madam, if I am drunk, it would have been better. I am not. I used my clear eye to ask you this thing. And that was why I said, sorry, you're no vex for the question why I won't ask you. In fact, I was apologizing for the ones who I go stay ask. So get ready. Madam, who kill him?
Are you stupid? Akwara, let today be the last, in fact, the first and the last day you will ever stop me to ask me nonsense question. If you are drunk, go and get yourself and then come back to work.
Madam, you wait, finish. I never finish. Person where they see goats is get as they behave. Get as your behavior day this period. I don't understand you. Every night you know, they make noise. That's the symptoms of somebody that kills somebody, and the ghost of the person is pursuing the person. I know my job. You can't question. You can't intimidate me with your color. I need to protect my Oga. As he die now, I'm supposed to even protect the ghost because it is expensive more than when he die alive. Oh my Oga. You see, listen. Anything where you dey plan, I fit to know amo. I don't watch one movie the way that thing do happen. Yes, the woman killed the husband. Now the ghost of the husband begin to pursue him exactly the same way they take behave. That movie,
You are very stupid. In fact, something is definitely wrong with you. You are drunk on a high something. Are you stupid? You did not only call me a murderer, you also called me a mad woman right before me. Akwara.
Madam, upon all these things why I talk, only two things you pick. You are a suspect.
I can see you are no longer interested in this job.
Yeah.
But let me give you the last chance. The next time you will stop me to talk rubbish before me will be the time or the moment you will lose this job.
Madam, no.
Open the gate for me, my friend. Come on, go open the gate for me.
Madam, you never answered the questions why they ask. You go see answer me this question. No? Because I know say no only ghost go pay me back for fighting for you. So
now you killer.
I don't like see. Okay, no problem. You see, you are a son. Don't worry. Maybe not. Like, now you buy if now you buy this motor, will you move slow to this side before you move like this? Now you want them I'm here. Don't worry. I just now that because of the come down, wait down. Now that come back, right? Now that it's not there. It's not my God. May your soul not rest in peace. Fight! Fight! Don't worry. That soul not ever rest in peace. No, go come. Go come. I know you're tired. Oh, if not be seven. Very good man. See. Commander. Chill out. You don't go better for anybody. You don't go better for that person.
Yes, hello. Oh, yes. I am already on my way to the office, sir. Yes, sir. Very close to the office, sir. Yes, I am Mrs. Uju Owameze. Sir?
I know it's too late. I know I can't
Sir,
change it.
I don't understand, sir.
I know I broke your heart. I know I made life hard. I know I made you sad. I'm right here today, pouring out my heart. I'm down on my knees with a cry of my heart, begging you please grant me this wish. Oh, please forgive me my wrong. I am lost without you. Hear the cry of a broken heart.
Ogami, I did very, very sure say na him wife na him kill am.
What is that your name again? Akwara.
Akwara Mwanne.
Akwara.
Sir.
Do you know your mouth can put you into trouble? I mean, do you know the gravity of the offense you are committing? Be careful, let your mouth not put you into a problem you cannot come out. What's wrong with you?
Now me did this house, now me know wetin I dey suffer. You see, madam, since when Oga die, he just dey behave somehow. If you see the kind hell of noise wey he dey give here every night, person dey push back to Jesus. Hey! If you dey here, you go conclude say na him kill am. They tell me this.
Whatever.
That thing, you get one film where that thing don't happen. Remind me that film. Na Nigerian film, a bit foreign film. That film now where we say the person die, he can't pursue the wife.
What you just said does not justify you calling your madam a murderer. I gotta be careful.
Ogami, I don't begin search. I don't search everywhere. They try to know where that person go fit put himself in my shoe. Nobody feel reason as I take reason, including you. Now I don't say, you know the reason go my side. If you reason well, you go know say na this woman kill am. Think wetin I don't know. I been think say you go flow with me. Rethink am.
See, I will advise you, Akwara, to do more productive things with your spare time than gossip. Akwara.
And again, to come to talk about it.
Stop gossiping and do something meaningful with your free time.
Okay, no be spare time again. Na free time. No problem, Oga. Wetin I dey try tell you now be say, no reason say you get as I dey take behave. Just imagine this thing. Think about wetin I dey tell you. If you reach us now, relax, carry one beer, bottle of beer, sit on it. Reason. This woman, I dey suspect am.
See, Akwara, it's okay. I've heard you. Please help me tell her I'll be back. I need to pick up something at the mall.
I don't even have her time.
Just deliver the message, Akwara.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Willie. I have had the film. Willie. Okay, Akwara. Okay. That's what it take happen for the film. Something what I said in Hollywood. The thing come dey happen for my house. Willie. Oh yeah.
Can you see me? Can you see me?
Sister, what happened? Why are you like this? What went wrong? Sister, talk now. I've been standing here. You've not said anything to me. What happened on your way back? Sister, talk now.
I've lost the job.
Eh? How? Sister, but you told me that the last time you got the job and you were just going for your final interview. What went wrong?
On my way to the office, I received a call that my appointment process has been cancelled.
Jesus. Sister, how? How did this happen? You told me that you are better than everyone else for this particular job. So how did you lose it all of a sudden?
Eric. I know Eric has a hand in all this. He wants me to take him home. And until I do that, I will keep meeting misfortune.
Sister, please. Please calm down. Everything will be fine. Please. Please stop crying.
I will have to travel to the village tomorrow again.
Sister, everything will be fine. Please stop crying.
I have concluded arrangements with his people for him to be brought home next weekend and be buried.
Wow. You have done so well.
Some have suffered. I lost Everything.
It's okay. It is well, okay? It is well.
Please. I would like you to accompany me to the mortuary next tomorrow. I need to take the clothes he will wear that day to the mortician.
Okay. But it's okay. You know, you have tried. I want you to be fine. I understand what you are going through. But everything is going to be okay by the time he's buried, okay?
Thank you so much, Sam. Thank you for standing by me. I truly appreciate.
You're welcome. If you don't mind, what about his siblings?
He doesn't have any. He was the only child of his parents.
That's so sad. Do you know we have been friends for close to 10 years? And I have never asked him if he had any siblings. I think that is so bad of me.
Where? This is your food.
Listen to this. Who want make it chop? Come on, carry this thing, come on for you.
Aquara, I don't understand this one, but today, I don't have the time for all your nonsense. Please, take your food and eat.
Even the person where they even tell me, your face safe. If now you be me, you go chop am. If they force me one chop food where I no want chop, I can never eat any food that is coming from this house from henceforth. I no fit try am. From today, I'll be eating food from Mr. Adam's house. Yes! Because I don't know what you people are cooking. That was how my oga died.
Aquara, what do you mean?
I'm sure you killed my oga.
Hey! Aquara.
Can't eat your food.
How dare you accuse my sister of killing her own husband? Do you know how stupid you just sounded by saying this? Aquara, are you mad? Why will you accuse my sister of killing her own husband?
How did you come to pain you like this? Hey, I didn't suspect you too. No, it didn't hit you for bone. That means you go force me chop waiting and no one chop. That means you put something inside. It not go work for you.
Aquara.
Tell her that I will never eat any food from her again. Yes.
I blame myself for bringing this food to you.
I blame myself for answering you. I blame myself for answering you. Now they look for who and I want kill. You can never get me. You see that woman? The nemesis of waiting you don't cause go catch up. I can never. Nobody will cross here and eat food in this house. I've finished my guy here directly. You are telling me to eat your food. So what do I know that you are serving me? Service charge.
Sister, what happened?
What is the meaning of this? What do we call this?
Hey, sister. Grandma told you. Sister, I remember coming out from the kitchen with Grandma told you. But I don't know what I did with it. How? Sister, I'm sorry.
Wait. You said you remember holding the gun in your hands?
Yes.
But you can't remember picking it from the kitchen to this place?
Sister, I swear, I don't know what I did with the granola toy I brought out. I don't know that this is what I did with it. Sister. I'm sorry, please.
Eric.
How?
He manipulated you again just to hurt me.
I'm sorry.
Eric, what have I done that you cannot forgive me? Okay, I'm in bed!
Sister, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Can I make you happy now, Eric? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Be happy.
Sister, please, sorry. So I don't know this is what I did with the granite to you. Please.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's Eric. Eric, I haven't apologized enough. The most you kill me. Okay, come and kill me.
It's okay. You need to get up, please. Sister, let me help. Sister, please. Try.
Hold on. This is painful.
Sorry, we'll try.
In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roar. My spirit is hunting, I roar.
Okay. How do you mean you're leaving this house?
Sister, I can't believe I've been hurting you for days now in this house. I can't believe I've been hurting you deliberately, but I've been doing it. I have to go.
Okay. It's not your fault. You and I know who is doing this. So please stop.
Sister, I know. But I'm done surrendering myself to your husband's ghost for him to manipulate it. I have to go. If I go, he will stop doing it. Please. I'm tired.
It's obvious you've made up your mind already. And there is nothing I could do now or say to make you change your mind.
So I'm sorry. Let me go. I'll stop seeing you.
It's fine. But please. My husband will be buried in 2 days. Why don't you stay? After the burial, you may go.
Sister.
Please, okay. I have no other person. I need you now. Please. Thank you.
Sorry.
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fear. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roar. My spirit is hunting.
Open the gate. Open which gate? Are you not seeing what I'm carrying?
What are you carrying?
Madam, I'm done. I'm leaving this house. I don't want to stay here again.
Why?
No, be you talk say if I tire for to work when I come out. I don't tire. I'm done. I need to go. Can't be in this place anymore. Please.
I don't understand what you're saying. What are you saying?
I blame you. I expect you to make you understand. You will not understand now. Because you are evil. You're not a good person.
Anyways, you can do whatever you want. I don't care. As for your salary.
Hold on. I no want chop that money again. Now blood money. I don't care. Whether you pay me or you no pay. I dash you chop. Okay. Listen, you killed Oga. Yes!
Since when did you become this useless, stupid, and terrible like this?
Since when you kill Oga? Yes. As you kill and finish, maybe you are looking for another person to kill. It can never be me. Because you see your type. Hi! Nothing where you no do my Oga. You get some days where you go come back here. You go to cry inside motor. Courtesy of you. Sometimes you go come out. You go come back for your own house. You go lock am outside. Wetin you no do? The only mistake wey my Oga do na to marry you. You are a disgrace to womanhood. Nothing way. See, listen. As you be, you no get level for my eye. I regret ever entering this house just because of you.
Leave my house.
I go get out.
Get out.
I don't have choice than to get out from your evil, calamitous house.
Get out.
You have destroyed me. Leave. This phone has been
I know I made life hard. I know I made you sad. I'm not here again, pouring out my heart. I'm down on my knees with a cry of my heart, begging you please grant me this wish.
Make sure nobody else
Please forgive me, Maharos. I am lost without you. Hear the cry of a broken heart. Biko Baharo. I am so sorry, sorry. Please forgive me, Maharo. I am lost without you. Hear the cry of a broken heart. Biko Baharo.
How did he go?
It went fine. They are already putting him in the ambulance, so we can go now.
Wow. How did you know he wants you to dress him up?
Eric. You know he has been asking me to take him home. So, I just figured out that he also wanted me to dress him up.
You just saved us a lot of stress.
It's okay, can we start going?
Yes, people are waiting already. Let's go.
I need to call my neighbors and some of our relatives that wants to go with us.
It's okay. You can
And
wait.
my phone is in the car.
Let's go. Let's go.
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roam. My spirit is hunting, I roam from the shadow. I'm coming for you. Can you see me? Can you see me? My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roam. My spirit is hunting, I roam from the shadow. I'm coming for you. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Oga, is everything okay?
This is my motor, this is my body. I don't know. You already disturbed me this morning. See all my tires, they don't fall out.
So what do we do?
Now give me another 40,000 additional to meet up the journey. If not, I will know when. I don't try all my tire. You might not be start today. I don't change this tire, change this one. Both the cars.
But Oga, that is too much now.
No, not too much.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You know what? Give me your account number. Let me transfer some money.
Don't worry. Let's be going. When we get to the bar, we'll pay you.
Give the account number 0011
Hold on. Give me my phone.
Bring our phone. Oga, but the car will start, and we will arrive safely.
Yes.
40,000 is not the problem, please.
Okay. Okay.
Let's transfer to you. Just call the account.
Okay.
Please call
the account.
00 11 22 31.
Access.
My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fear.
Yeah, I don't see her.
I beg, eh? Okay. She go to start now.
Start. I don't leave no stay. In the shadow you hear my voice. I will. My spirit is hunting a roll from the shadow. I'm coming for you. Can you see me? Can you see me? My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice. I will roll. My spirit is hunting a roll from the shadow. I'm coming for you. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Kò máa yé mi mọ́ o lórí kílè mi máa ń lọ sọ yín. Ẹ máa gbà mí là o kí ló dé mi ò mọ̀ kò máa yé mi o ọlọ́ba tó dá mi kí ẹlẹ́dàá ò ní ẹ. Kò máa yé mi mọ́ o eléyìí ni mo ti wọ́n kó ọjọ́ tí mi máa kó sọ sí o kí nìyẹn wá síbẹ̀ o.
Say something now.
Dike, Emanelo Igwe, Agiri ka na-ekiri ododo na-eji ododo na-eli ozunu. Akwa ịbalị njem na ị ga-ana. Giri ka na-ekiri ododo na-eji ododo na-eli ozunu. You will have to go.
Is that a slap? Hey.
Mothers of the 7 rivers. Mothers of the 7 rivers. Today. Rest in
Let's just go. Now what are we going to do again? Eric!
Jesus butala n'ọgba ngọ, ekwesu nweghị ike ngọdọ. O butala n'ọgba ngọ, ekwesu nweghị ike ngọdọ. Jesus butala n'ọgba ngọ, onye iro nweghị ike n'ahụ ọdọ. O butala n'ọgba ngọ, ekwesu nweghị ike ngọdọ. Jesus butala n'ọgba ngọ, ekwesu nweghị ike ngọdọ. O butala n'ọgba ngọ, ekwesu nweghị ike ngọdọ. Jesus butala n'ọgba ngọ, ekwesu nweghị ike ngọdọ. You foul spirit of torment that is dwelling on this body, that left this body under this condition. Right this minute, I command you to leave this body in Jesus' name. Amen. Leave this body in Jesus' name. Amen. Leave this body in Jesus' name. Amen. Father Lord, let this body rest in peace. Amen. Let this body rest in peace. Amen. This body must rest in peace. Amen. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. This body must rest in peace. This body must rest in peace. This body must rest in peace. Amen. 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 In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. This body must rest in peace. This body must rest in peace. In the mighty name of
continue praying.
Listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. While I was praying, the Lord revealed me something. Okay. He was pointing at you. That means God is trying to use you to do something. Would you? Just, I don't know.
Would you? Please, remember you told me that he asked you to dress him up. Would you please? And remember you are the one that even dressed him up and he asked you to take him home. Can you just talk to him? Talk to him, please. I don't know if there's anything you can do.
He asked me to take him home. I don't know what he's doing right now.
We don't know what to do again.
The way this thing is going, I am tired of this journey. In fact, I am not going anymore. I am going to stop a bike here now and go home.
Same here.
I will go home.
What kind of a man is this? I'm going to.
Will I die and follow him?
Mr. Adams, please, calm down, please.
Please talk to your husband.
Sister, exactly what I said. Sister, please, you should talk to him. You are the only one that can communicate with him. With the look of things, sister, please. Let us live here.
Would you please?
Because
Good. Kobulu no kwero.
You know how you used to talk to him. It's your husband.
Baby. Baby, please. I'm sorry. I know you are angry and hurt with the way I treated you. But please, do not put me to shame before these people here. I beg you. Look at them. They all left their businesses just to pay you the last respect. Please. Please do not make them regret doing this. Please. Do not let them abandon you here. No, abandon us here. Because I'm not going to leave you here all alone. Please, I'm sorry. Look at you. You need to rest. Baby, you need to rest. Please. Help me. Rest, please. Save me from this frustration because right now I am frustrated. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You know I love you. You know I love you. And I know you loved me. That was why you were able to go miles for my sake. Please, forgive me for the sake of the love you had for me. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let us take him. Let's carry him. Let us carry him.
I will not go again. Huh? I will not go again. Okay, no. Okay, come. No. I'm tired. Let's have money for you. Hey! Remove your voice. I will not go again. I will not get it for you. No, I will not get it. You must be silent again. Hey, driver!
I think the best thing to do is to get a bike. And let us get a bike and put. I don't even know what to say again.
Yes.
Okay.
Bike is better. Bike. Okay, let us wait for bike. Let's see. Let's get one bike and put it.
Bike! Come.
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice. I go, my spirit is haunting run from the shadow. Coming for you. Can you see me?
Hey! My uncle! We will not accept me until you fight to kill you. Oh God, I do like you. I love you. Twice salute. Gunshot bullet. Twice. I'll keep the rest. When you receive peace, I'll shoot the rest. I march for you. By the left. Watch it. Jesus. Hey. Try. Follow me and cry.
Easy. He will fight for you.
Yes, that should come out very good.
Yes.
No problem.
He will fight his cause.
See, Oga. Kwechili. Don't rest. Feel like self open here. Let us have all of us.
No.
Okay, you are scared.
You know what we went through.
Your hands are not clean too. Oh God.
I bless this grave in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. I pray that the spirit of the departed man, in any form, will not rise to torment the family members.
Amen.
Will not rise in any form to torment the neighbors.
Amen.
Will not rise in any form to torment whomever he must have come across in life in any way. May he rest in peace.
Amen.
You can lay him to rest now.
Can you see me?
Hey. Oh.
Oh, Ezo ike.
My eyes are filled with rage. My heart it burns in pain. I fill up your mind with fears. I'll keep your heart on the race. I won't neither leave nor stay. In the shadow you hear my voice, I will roar. My spirit is hunting, I roar from the shadow. I'm coming for you. Can you see me?
Baby, I know I do not deserve your forgiveness. I know I was nothing to you but a terrible wife. You showed me so much love, but I paid you back with pains. Please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love.
My love, please. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but at least let me go to work. Please.
And who are those calling you?
My office people. I need to go to work.
Tell those bastards that you're not coming to work. Tell those fools that you're not coming to work today. You're not going anywhere until I say so.
Don't do this now. Don't do this. I need to work. I have to go to work. I'm only an employee. If I don't go to work, I may be sacked.
I don't care if you are sacked or not. Do you think I'm always happy every day you wake up in the morning, you leave the house, you come back in the night, and when I'm sleeping already? I need attention. I need attention in this marriage. What is this, Seb? You're not going anywhere.
Don't do this now. Come on. All right, fine. You're right. I'm wrong. I'm very sorry. But just this last time, let me go to work. By the time I get back, whatever you want me to do for you, I'll do it. I know.
No work today, period.
Baby.
Please, the earlier we just get into that room, relax. The better for both of us. You are not going anywhere today.
My love. Please. I'm sorry. When I remember all I did to you, all the hurtful things I said to you, how I treated you, I feel like a monster. You showed me love, but I paid you back with pains. Please, I'm sorry. Please, my love. Please, my love. Please, Dimoma. Have mercy on me. Have mercy on me. Have the place in your heart. Please, don't forgive me, my beloved husband, Dimoma, Ezimodim, Norumo Ofuma, you married me so well. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My life is shattered without your forgiveness, please. Look at me. Friends and family has left. I'm here all alone. Please, have mercy on me and forgive me. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Honey, I'm sorry, my love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, no, no! 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 With a cry of my heart, begging you, please grant me this wish. Oh, please forgive me.
Hey! I have come. Ekwechirigom. I have come to stay. In fact, I am here to plead to Oga on behalf of all the spirits that are not meant to go before their time, to come and get quechilled and fight for yourself. If you like, cry from now to I came with my toothpaste and toothbrush, my shoes, extra clothes, soldier costume. I will be here to make sure that Oga retaliates. You cannot go scot-free after killing my Oga. You are here to cry, crocodile cry. Let me see how we forgive you. Oga, wherever you are, Kwechiri, come back here and fight this white. Why they even wear them white? Now black they supposed to wear them. You think I don't know? No, let him forgive you. I am not going anywhere. I told you I was leaving the house. We are here. Let's see it together. Rubbish. You too. Think you are the only one that knows how to cry, crocodile cry. All of us are going to be here. Let's see it. Ogam, 43. Ordinary 43. You now go and die just like that. Now lie, Oga, wherever you are, Kwechiri, no grief Even if you see this year where you die, no grief for it. Just gree for anybody. Kwechiri there, come back. Slap them, finish them, bully them, torment them. Next time, after somebody, they will not kill the person. Killers of all the killing. Ogami, come here. No green. Somebody that I don't even know whether I'm older than. Young boy of 43 years and I'm pushing 60. Oh, Aquara!
Sister, please, let's go home. Sister, because let's go home. Mama is worried. Sister, everybody is worried about you. Sister, this is the 10th day and you're still here. Please, let's go home. Sister, Brother Erica, forgive me, you please. Sister, because we need it. Sister, let's go. Sister, Brother Erica, forgive me, you let's go.
Please cry fast and leave here. Be fast with your cry. Stop. There's no forgiveness for the wicked. He can never forgive all of you. So cry fast and leave. Stop disturbing the mourner. She's going to be mourning forever here, and we are going to be here. Go and bring toothpaste and toothbrush for her so she can brush. She has not taken a bath, even me too. So just know how to do fast and leave here. You're disturbing the sinner. When she was doing it, you couldn't advise her, even if she's your elder sister. Did you advise her? No, both of you killed him. You are here crying crocodile tears. Nonsense. Crier. Nonsense. Oga Kwechiri, wherever you are, Kwechiri, don't forgive these people. They don't deserve forgiveness in this life. No grief for anybody. Don't ever grieve. Do fast.
Since I have done it.
Pouring out my heart. I'm down on my knees with a cry of my heart. Begging you, please grant me this wish.
Uju, excuse me. I understand how you are feeling. I know. I want to tell you something. You have to forgive yourself first. I have to come all the way because they told me you have been here for days. No. See, you have to forgive yourself first before Eric will forgive you. Eric is like a brother to me. I know the kind of man Eric was. Please.
Okay, do fast now. Please, they worry me.
Please, stand
now,
up.
Pia, see, I know your type. Sure. You cannot waste time here. Okay, where you dey carry and go? Come on for here. I won't go pee. Pee, they worry me. I go pee for your body. Oh. See, now my Oga be this. Where die here? If you know him. I am in charge of him when he was alive. I'm still in charge of him as he don't die. This tomb, but I me get him. Make him not be say you go come on, I go come on, you go carry something to put for the tomb. Shut up, what?
Uju, please. Let us go home. You can't be here forever. Eric has forgiven you, please.
Oh, or else they go now. I go pay for your body. Oh. Come on for here. Pay home me now. I never pay.
Uju cannot be here forever. Let us go home.
She don't hear.
Uju, let us go.
Oga?
Let us go.
Oga, go now. Pay, they worry me. I go pay for your body. I know they like this kind of thing. Now pay, I be one go pay now. Go, you don't do.
I surrender myself to you. I surrender myself to you. Allah, I'm still here. I'm here. Despite all your friends and family said to me, they say that you have forgiven me, but I know you haven't. I know I don't deserve you. your forgiveness. My love, I'm ready to give my life as a sign. Please, give me any punishment you want to. I am ready. I am ready to face the punishment. I surrender my life to you. I surrender my life to you. I surrender my life to you. I still love you. Take my life. I'm ready to spend the afterlife with you, my love. Please, please, take me.
I know it's too late. I know I can't change it. The things I did.
My love, you forgive me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for forgiving me.
I'm ready to forgive you.
He has forgiven me.
He has forgiven you.
Down on my knees.
He has forgiven
me. Cry of my heart. Begging me.
He's a good man. I know he will forgive you.